In this video, I'll show you how to invite someone to help manage your Blogger website. Let's walk through the process together. First, sign in to your Blogger account. Once you're inside the Blogger dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. Now, scroll down to the Permissions section. In this section, click on Invite More Authors. A small pop-up window will appear. Here, enter the email address of the person you would like to invite to your Blogger site. Once you've entered the email address, click Send. Blogger will then send an invitation email to that person. At this stage, the invitation will appear as pending. This simply means the person has not accepted the invitation yet. The invited person will receive an email with a link to accept the invitation. After they accept it, you'll see their email address listed in the Permissions section of your Blogger dashboard. From here, you can choose the role you want to assign to them. For example, you can allow them to contribute content as an author or give them additional permissions to help manage the site. And that's it. That's how you can invite someone and give them permission to help manage your Blogger website. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.